Fantastic introduction, Jackie. It's really amazing. Actually, I would say that I'm sitting at the tip of the edge of my chair to give this, my sharing on this huge platform of 1,000 people all together in one go. It's amazing, and I should take this beautiful opportunity to thank George for bringing this wonderful opportunity to Malaysia. Other than, I would like to thank Madam Yan, who is one of the pillars in bringing this particular concept of terahertz water device to the world. And of course, I do have my leaders who have been great in introducing me to this. Frankly speaking, in my 32 years of medical experience, I normally, as medical doctors, we don't get involved into any multi-level marketing because we have our own prestige and dignity and decorum, which we would prefer to have it preserved. But incidentally, I have been doing a lot of research on water for the past 20 years, right from magnetized water to ozone water to alkaline water to ionized water. There are many things I've been doing, but finally last year I landed up on this platform through one of my very close friend who introduced me to this terahertz device. And within 3 weeks I could break through, and then started talking about this particular product, for the only reason that when I went and read about terahertz technology, I found that this is going to be the future. And the other biggest advantage I took on opportunity of this particular device, as well as the business part, is definitely water plays such an important role in our day-to-day life. Whether we eat food or not, at least we need to drink water, because our bodily starts functioning. With water alone we can live for a few days, but without food we can still definitely manage. So in that way, water became one of the important factors. But there is another secret that I landed up in this water technology is in epigenetics. I'm one of the few epigenetic consultants on this universe, wherein we are working on reversing diseases, and then we work at the cellular level. And water is one of the epigenetic factors which affects your health. And incidentally, I found that there are almost 70 to 80% of the world population, we are all dehydrated, even though we are surrounded by three-fourth of water around the planet earth, but still we are dehydrated. So the reason was the water does not penetrate inside your cells. This is one of the major reasons. So why is that? Because the water molecule size is bigger, and the cells cannot absorb this particular bigger molecule. And that's how the metabolism, the detoxification, the nutritional transport, the oxygen transport, you can name it. So there are a lot of things which happens in our body without our knowledge, and then we land up with a disease. And I found that water is such a simple concept, where why not you drink water, and this, if it can enhance your quality of life, why not? When it can improve a disease situation, why not? So saying this, what happened was, in the past 1 year I found that I've been treating lot of patients with kidney failure, diabetes, blood pressure. And incidentally, I found that they started improving step by step. In a span of 2 to 3 months to 4 months, when they started consuming this water continuously, I found that they were much more healthier. And definitely, when it comes up to wellness or health, I'm very, very particular, because I wish that we all should live on this planet earth without diseases, so that our whatever you earn, you should be able to enjoy on this planet earth. On one side, as a medical doctor, I just casually started my Zoom meetings on with the help of Mr. George. And then today I am so proud that I could complete 32 episodes on this platform. So what happened is, this platform gave me an advantage for me to read more and then share more. And the best part is, I started loving people who started liking my way of presentation, and then they started following me. Now this is another advantage for me as a doctor. When people are there to listen to my guidelines, this was another feather onto my hat, being a doctor. So I took this advantage. But more than that, the team of people around me, right from Frankie to Eddie to Jackie down there and Angie in Singapore, like we had a team of beautiful souls who all joined together in support and supported me in giving those Zoom meetings every Saturday very beautifully and successfully. I've been doing it. And the best part of this situation is I could start seeing some money as well. Now, this is the business part. Now, whether I liked it or not, what happened was when I started recommending this product to my people down there, right in India, to USA, to other countries, I found that this started giving me some additional income, which other than my main medical profession, this was another beautiful system which Terahertz company had created. And of course, in the past 1 year, I had an opportunity to meet all our right from the directors to George to other people personally. And of course, it was another wonderful time meeting our Madam Yan from China, wherein there were a lot of questions from my side, but she was so beautiful enough to give a beautiful, clear answer. And I felt that this company will be a global company. And definitely I would wish to continue my services to the humanity in terms of giving a lot of sharing, and then of course support to the people out there who are looking for in terms of the medical assistance, where I can share my knowledge and then move forward to our fellow human beings. Other than that, mainly I found my son who has been drinking this water, and he's a muscular dystrophy boy. But incidentally, I found that there's a lot of goodness and best possible situation for me to assist him on this journey. So Terahertz Water has been helping not only my family but other beautiful souls around me as who came in as patients, and then of course friends and relatives who have been using this particular water, and they found that there are a lot of wonderful benefits by just drinking water. So, saying this, as a medical doctor, definitely water plays such an important role for every one of us. So, why not drink Terahertz water? For the reason is Terahertz water has got almost 12 different qualities and properties, which a normal water, which probably you all will be drinking, will not have all those properties. But I found that the beautiful 12 properties which our terahertz device can do for the water is what gives us an advantage to talk to people and to let know people that there is something so beautiful and which can give a automatic healing to the body on its own, without medication, without any other chemicals going inside the body. If your body can heal yourself just by drinking this water, why not? This should be a priority. So as our company's vision of going globally, and every house or a home should have this device so that everyone becomes more healthier. And as you all know that in this present century, with COVID all around, our immune system all lower down, I think this is the best decision anyone could make, is just buy the device and start drinking this water. Will help you to achieve an optimized health and wellness, which in turn will give you a self satisfaction as well as happiness towards living on this planet Earth. And I wish to thank every one of you all who have been supporting me directly and indirectly with this journey. And I wish to join every one of you in this platform of going global, and then helping every soul we come on, who comes in your way of life, to achieve their dreams of becoming healthy. Thank you, Jackie, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much. And then wishing you all the very best. And I'm enjoying every moment of this, whatever the celebration going on, even though I don't understand Chinese, but I am enjoying the show because I can visually see the happiness in every one of you, and happy to be with you all. Thank you very much, Jackie, and the team of beautiful hosts and organizers. Thank you very much.